Hey everybody, I just want to do a quick demonstration on a 6-in-1 screwdriver and what that means and how it works. So you got a Phillips there, flip that around, you've got a flathead, all right? Take that out, you got a nut driver. Look at that, right there. Slip that back in, take that whole barrel out, flip it around, put it right back in that hole. All right, now you've got a large flathead, and then you flip that around. There you go. And then you've got a big Phillips. Take that out. Look, a larger nut driver. I can't remember the sizes, but right there, put it back in, and 6-in-1. That's what it looks like. There you go.